right, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this under hood cover. There's a tab here, a twist tab. What you wanna do is twist and release it counterclockwise. Pull up on it and release. And this cover has slots that go into the fender. So you wanna push up on it or push down on it. So swing it down and it'll release. I lost the tab, it fell down there, so we'll get that later. So now we have access to the motor mount. You wanna pull the power steering reservoir out of the way so you can access this bolt, this 18mm bolt that's going in into the engine cover. And then there's another 18mm bolt we're gonna access by removing a few of these bolts that are holding down this metal cowl right here. And we're probably gonna try to lift up on it to gain access to this bolt. So we're gonna try that now, right? Screwdriver, there's a tab. You wanna swing out of the way for the reservoir. Once you swing that out of the way to remove it from the lock position, then you swing or you wanna bring the reservoir upwards and then release. So we just pretty much just wanna swing this out of the way so we can gain better access to this 18mm bolt. I'm gonna break it free with a ratchet wrench. Then take it out the rest of the way with impact gun. All right, got that 18mm out. All right, so next up is taking out these 13mm bolts at the metal cowl. Got those two out. All right, so get a pry bar, something you can swing underneath here to get it to lift up. All right, so I was able to pry it on this. I snuck a socket in there to kind of hold it in place. And that hopefully should give me enough room to sneak this 18mm bolt out of there once I get it loose. So I'm gonna break this again loose with this wrench. See if I can get a swivel on it. Not a lot of room for the angle. And I'm bottoming out. All right. All right, just enough room to get that out and the mount's out. So just give you a good idea what it looks like. You can see how it's torn right there at the bottom on both sides. Actually torn all the way through, right? It's actually separated completely right there. So we got a new mount. All right, we got a new mount from Amazon. Paid about 18 bucks. Free shipping, can't beat that. You probably pay triple if you buy it elsewhere, locally. Pretty much identical, right? Start that by hand, 18, get the other one in. Start that by hand also. All right, so now we got these bolts installed. If you want to torque these to specs, the spec for this is going to be 94 foot-pound, And the torque for this is gonna be 85 foot-pound. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. $94 foot-pound at the top bolt, coming in from the top, and 85 foot-pound, the bolt coming in from the side. All right, once you got that secured, you want to go ahead and put this cowl down if you got it, you know, held up like I do, like with a socket or some kind of tool. So you can put those mounting bolts back in there. All right. All right, so just put the snap the power steering reservoir back in place. Put the cover back. If you have one, some cars are missing the covers. And I just got to get a clip for this, replacement clip. And that's how you replace the motor mount, also referred to as the torque strut mount. Any questions, leave them down below. Any questions about any tools that I use or any parts, definitely send me a message in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Peace.